Wall sculpture or full flower cloud? What's the difference between the two and which one is right for your space? I'll walk you through what changes structurally, visually and practically, so if you're designing a salon, studio or boutique space, you can decide which option is best for you. Wall sculpture or full flower cloud, what's the real difference? So they're both often grouped together, but they create very different levels of immersion within a space. Today I'm going to transform this lovely floral wall sculpture into a full flower cloud and hopefully show you the difference. So this is a wall sculpture. It's designed to anchor a space to create a focal point without overwhelming the room. Wall installations work beautifully when you want texture and presence, but you still need flow beneath it. They're ideal in spaces with lower ceilings or areas where you can't interrupt movement. Structurally, they're simple, mounting directly onto the wall without any fancy fixings, and are usually quick to install. The key thing is they live on one plane, enhancing that surface. They're perfect for adding depth, but they don't fully immerse you in a space. So let's see what happens when we let it grow. So a little update, I'm about halfway through the transformation. As you'll see, I've got all the structural elements in place, so you can start to see it really take shape now with these gorgeous little pussy willows and some lovely seed heads and some bracken, so it gives it a really nice wild feel. We're just starting to fill in now, so I'll get some colour on there in a minute, and yeah, exciting. Once you move off the wall, everything changes. The flower cloud doesn't just decorate a surface, it starts to shape the room itself. Instead of sitting on one plane, we start to introduce volume. It softens the architecture from above, which draws the eye up. Flower clouds work beautifully in spaces with generous ceiling height. Things like reception areas, open salons and retail windows. Anywhere you want to create an immersive moment. Structurally, they do need more planning, like weight distribution, ceiling strength, installation access, all of those bits need consideration. But when they're right for a space, they don't just enhance it, they really transform the atmosphere and make it feel intentional, immersive and designed. So whether you choose a wall sculpture or full flower cloud really comes down to how you want your space to feel. Anchored and architectural, or immersive and atmospheric. There isn't a right or wrong, just what's aligned with your space, room constraints and the experience you want to create. If you're in that consideration stage and you're not sure which direction makes sense for your space, I always start with how you might want people to feel when they walk in. You can find more information about installations below. I'll pop a link in the description, or just reach out when you're ready and I'll be happy to help.